Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is a very special video because I am filming, I don't know if this is, no, this is not my first collab. This is my first collab back, and it's with a very, very dear friend of mine. Her name is Gaby, and I'm just gonna talk for a couple of minutes about why you need to be following her, why you need to be subscribed to her channel, and what she means to me. So I promise I won't be long. But I met her back in like 2009, 2010 when I very first started my YouTube videos. I had no idea what the heck I was doing. Anyway, we met through YouTube, as I've met a few of my friends through YouTube. And I met her once in person. She is exactly what you see on camera. She's just like that behind the camera. When you talk to her one-on-one, like there is absolutely no changing. She is like, if you're looking for like OG YouTubers, she's your girl. Let me tell you, she is the queen of color and boldness. She is not afraid to put any color on her lips, on her eyes. She's very, very talented. She's been a freelance makeup artist, a MAC makeup artist. She is with Sephora now, and she just inspires me. And I have to tell you, she means so much to me. Aside from she's just a really good person, very humble, salt of the earth kind of gal. She means so much to me because she is the reason I became a freelance makeup artist. I've said this years ago, and I will always give her credit. And she's the reason I did it. When I talk to her in person, I tend to have a lot of self-doubt, like in my everyday nature. I mean, you guys don't know this and you might not see this, but I have a lot of self-doubt about my skills and am I good enough this, and am I good enough here, and do I know this, and what if, and I get in my head a lot, and only a few friends really know that. And so when I was with her in person, I was asking her like, well, what if I don't do something right, or what if I don't know, and what if? And she's like, it's makeup, it comes off, like just go practice on a bunch of faces. And that's what I did when I came back. And then once I got some practice out of the way, I started to build my business, and then I was freelancing and doing bridal makeup and homecoming and prom makeup, and I absolutely love it. But I would not have been there without her support and her push. And I even remember she sent me this box like full of stuff to get my makeup kit started. I mean, makeup, lotion, a kit bag that I still have. She's been so supportive. So I'm telling you that she's genuinely a good person. I would not have done this collab with somebody that I didn't know well, that I thought was a little bit flaky. I just would not. So she's a really, really good person. And I hope that you guys go follow her. Please do, go give her some love. So I'm creating this look right here, which you kind of see off and on because of the glare of my glasses. It is a purple look using the Huda Mercury Retrograde palette. It's my first time playing with this palette. So some of the formulations were a little different for me because I can't tell if they're cream or not. And I didn't read the description, but they kind of act like it. Oh, well, it says here in the bottom. Yeah, there's some creams in there. Like, what does this say? I'm like so blind without my glasses. Hold on. Creamy metallics. That's what it is. Well, no wonder. So if you want to see how I recreated this look, then let's get to it. Okay, we are going to get started with the eyes, and I am using this photo right here for inspiration. So that's what we're going to use. I'm not saying it's going to come out exactly like this, but I do want to use the colors and create something similar. And I've realized that I need to order some lashes. I don't have any lashes, and I feel like when I want to keep doing this, and even as I'm working through my makeup courses, I need lashes to put on my daughter for the final look. Like it just makes a big difference. So, okay. Y'all, this palette is crazy, crazy beautiful. I have nothing like this. Nothing like this in my collection. Okay, I am gonna get started with Libra. this matte shade right there. So let's see what this looks like. Okay. I think it's so cool just to think about how people come up with the colors in a palette, and just like such unique colors, the names for palettes. That would be so much fun. Can you imagine? Okay, so I'm gonna take this here and down below. Okay, so here's where we're at so far. Let me go back into the photo. I think what I'm gonna do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take Hot Mess, which is that kind of plummy color. And I'm gonna take that into my crease because that purple they use does not look like a purple in the palette. So I don't know if this person used a different palette, but I'm trying to use just as much of the palette as I can. So I'm just gonna put this in the outer V and then my crease. Okay, so I took the Hot Mess color into the crease and just the outer, like, last part of the lid, but it's not deep enough. So I'm gonna take another shade. All right, so I'm gonna take a little angled brush and I'm gonna go in with Vortex, this color right here. See what that does. Okay, that's probably the purple that they used. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so there's where we're at with Vortex. Don't worry about any messy areas. I'll clean that up at the very end. Okay, I'm gonna take the Huda brush, the double-ended brush, and I'm gonna go in with Ultraviolet, which is that top purple shade right there. And I'm gonna place that more mid-lid into that deep purple. And actually, let me deepen up this part right here just a little bit more. And that Vortex is a beautiful shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here we are with Ultraviolet. Oh, holy moly. I think this is a cream shadow. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I feel kind of weird. I feel like I should just use my finger. Okay, I have a little tiny bit of fallout there, but that's okay. And I do want the colors overlapping to kind of blend together. So I may be going a little bit, further in than what I originally said, but that's because I'm going to layer the next color and blend it into the purple. I am going to do some layering. I'm going to be going back and forth. I'm going to put some more of the Vortex in the outer corner once I'm done with everything. But for now, I just kind of want to get the colors placed there. So the next shade that I'm going to use is I'm going to use Cosmic which is just that first light pink color. Holy moly, that is pigmented. Ooh, maybe I should use a brush. Oh. Okay, now that we placed that inner shade, I'm gonna go back in with Vortex and just place some of that color that I might have lost, both in the outer corner and the crease a little bit. So I touched up that Vortex shade, and now I'm going to put some shadow underneath. So I'm going to copy what I did on the top. So I'm going to put the light pink right here in the inner part, and then that brighter purple in the middle, and then touch up wherever I need to touch up. So this is where we're at with the bottom lashes. I haven't even looked at the picture. I don't even know if I'm following along anymore. Yeah, her inner corner is definitely whiter, so she might have used that Supermoon shade, which is this one right here. Her inner, let's try that for the inner corner. I'm not used to this formulation. This is really weird. The formulation of these shadows are like creams, like that, like the bounciness of ColourPop. Well, okay, I'm gonna do some cleanup around the eyes, and then I'm gonna use my MAC Emphasize that I just broke again as highlight. So let me do cleanup, put the highlight, and then I'll also finish up with eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll come right back. All right, everyone, this is the final look. I really like the way that it turned out. I absolutely love purples, so this was so much fun. And yeah, let me put my glasses on so I can finish talking to you. I hope that you enjoyed this, and please don't forget to check out my friend Gabby. She is the best. I promise you're going to love her. She's amazing, and I feel like you're missing out. You are missing out if you're not watching her and you're not following her on Instagram. So check out her links down below. And if you have any suggestions for videos, or you want to see me create different colored looks, or I don't know, whatever your requests are, let me know and I will do them for you. Slowly but surely. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day or night, and I will see you very soon. Bye.